Hello guys, I am Rajiv Kumar from the Gyan Ki Shakti Academy and I have to come with the more important questions of the accountant law for the BCom students. Okay, and I think so this is a very important video for any student of BCom category, and I want to say that it is a video discussed by the very struggle in the commerce department and faculty. ठीक है. And anyways, I am coming for many questions, and the next time still I have come with the some important questions for account. Next, our next question is that when check is not paid by the bank, it is called option A honored, option B endorsed, option C dishonored, option D A and B. And I think so it is the condition of dishonored. Check is not paid by the bank. When we are getting to any bank and bank will not give any payment by the our checks, it activity is called dishonored. Next question. Question number 2. A bank reconciliation statement is prepared by option A banker, accountant of the business, auditors and registrar. I think so this is the very important question for any BCom student. It is the right answer, option B accountant of the business. A bank reconciliation statement is prepared by accountant of the business, and it is a very basic knowledge of the any account and law subject. Next question. Question number 3. Bank reconciliation is not a ledger account. Option C, it is the right answer. Bank reconciliation is not a ledger account. But bank reconciliation is a reconcile records, memorandum statement and procedure to provide cash book adjustments. Next question. Question number 4. The balance on the debit side of the bank column of cash book indicates, very important question, the balance on the debit side of the bank column of cash book indicates option A the total amount has drawn from the bank, option B cash at bank, option C the total amount overdraft in the bank, option D none of above. You are the studying in the BCom and you will have to learn about that statement by the 11th or 12th exam, 12th class exam. So I think so this is the main answer of this question, option B cash at bank. Cash at bank, it is the debit side of the bank column of cash book indicated by cash at bank. Next question. Question number 5. Bank statements also called passbook, cash book, credit book or debit book. Bank statement also called passbook. Next question. The main purpose of preparing a bank reconciliation statement is option A to know the bank balance, option B to know the balance of bank statement, option C to correct the cash book, option D to identify causes of difference between cash book and bank statement. Question 6 has the right answer, option D. The main purpose of preparing a bank reconciliation statement is to identify causes of difference between cash book and bank statement. This is the main purpose of the any bank reconciliation statement. Option D. Next question. Question number 7. Bank reconciliation statement is part of bank statement, part of the cash book, a separate statement, a subdivisional of journal. It is the main important question of the any account and law student. And this question is that bank reconciliation statement is a option A part of the bank statement, option B part of the cash book, and option C separate statement, and option D a subdivision of journal. You will be watched that the questions and you will be have to the understood this question, because this is the typical question of any account and law group, any student. And its right answer is that separate statement, option C. It is the best answer of this question. A bank reconciliation statement is a separate statement. Anyways, next question. Uncollected checks are also known as. Uncollected checks are also known as, and these are the optional choices for you. Option A, outstanding checks. Option B, uncleared checks. Option C, outstations checks. And D, both B and C. And I think so you will have to understood this question. And these are the most answerable questions, that option D, both B and C. Uncollected checks are also known as uncleared checks and outstation checks also. Are you understood? Uncollected checks are also known as uncleared checks and outstation checks. Question number 9. Favorable balance means. What is the meaning of favorable balance? And these are the your options. Option A, credit balance in the cash book. Option B, credit balance in bank statement. Option C, debit balance in cash book. And option D, both B and C. And question 9 has the answer option D. Favorable balance means is that credit balance in bank statement as well as debit balance in cash book. Anyways, next question is the screen. Question is unfavorable balance means. Unfavorable balance means option A, credit balance in the cash book. Option B, credit balance in the bank statement. Option C, debit balance in cash book. Or option D, debit balance in petty cash book. Unfavorable balance means, and the balance means that credit balance in the cash book. When your balance in the credit side, credit column in the cash book, it will be called unfavorable balance. And this is the right answer. These are the main some important questions in the account and law with the commerce faculty, and I think so you will have to understood these questions and these problem you will be have to cleared by me. And I think so if you have the pass my video, you will be subscribed my channel, and please share this video for any other students. Thank you very much.